Hey everyone, I have another OCC unboxing. Today this one is for a boy 10 to 14. I feel like I haven't done a 10 to 14 boy in a while, but I think that's because the last one I did, I showed 4 unboxings for a 10 to 14, and they were all soccer themed. So I will put that video up in the cards if you haven't seen it. It'll be in the right hand corner of your screen. So I did 4 unboxings in that one video. But today this one is for a 10 to 14 boy, and it has more of an emphasis on school supplies. And speaking of school supplies, I wanted to show you what I just picked up from Amazon online. These are premium stainless steel German blade pencil sharpeners. Now these were about 51 cents each, but they are such nice quality. They had great reviews on Amazon. When it comes to school supplies that I believe will last longer, as long as they don't lose it, I will pay a little bit more money for my school supplies. I do believe that the Germans, they really do make good school supplies. I also love these Stettler pencils. They are my favorite pencils, and these sharpeners I'm very impressed with. So I will be adding these into my older 10 to 14 age group shoeboxes next year. So I will put a link in the description box below for these sharpeners if you care to look at them. All right, this is my shoebox here. It has a bit of a under the sea theme. Now with this box, I really felt like I needed to get a large notebook in. So that's what I did. This is a 200-page pen and gear. And I like how the cover is hard on it, but it's also flexible. And I just put a pencil in here with a cute little crab eraser top on there. So he has 200 pages of regular size school paper. Now to go with his water theme, he has one of these splat balls. He can play with it regular, or he can also play with it in the water. He has a sack here with a pair of extra large underwear inside of it. He has this very soft, cute parrot that I thought went great with an under the sea theme. And this I just found at my Dollar Tree. And the wings and tail are very soft. So I kind of played off the colors of the parrot. He has his red tote bag. He has a red whistle, bouncy ball. He has his toothbrush. Here at the top, I wanted to give him a pair of bottoms. I just wrapped them in these hair ties. You never know, boys could use hair ties. Some boys have long hair. He could also give them to a sibling or even just use them as a rubber band. These are his shorts. I picked these up at Old Navy and I believe they were $3.97. I did not keep the tags on the bottoms of these, but I think these were normally about $12 and I paid $3.97, and they are size 14-16. Now these do have a drawstring, so if he needs to tighten them, he can. And I think I put, yes I did, just some fun little surprises in his pockets. That was a frog. And this one is a little salamander, gecko. So yeah, he's got a nice pair of shorts that he can maybe wear to school. I just added some safety pins in his shoebox. He has his soap. I put his soap in because I wanted to make sure I had room for it. His box is very tight. And of course he has this where he can attach it to his wrist so he doesn't lose it when he's washing. I gave him a chapstick with picture instructions so that he knows it's a chapstick. I'm going to link a video down below of a testimony that I found on YouTube randomly. I think he has a chiropractic channel, but he was an OCC recipient when he was little, and he mentioned about this chapstick that his mom used to wash their clothes by hand, and her hands were always cracked and bleeding from washing their clothes. So a lot of the times when I do my older boys, I like to add in a chapstick that they could possibly give to their mom so that she could put it on her hands. But his video was very touching. It made me tear up. It was one of the better testimonies that I have seen, and they're all good testimonies. But I'm going to link that because I really want you guys to watch it. And then he's got a math set. I love this because it has the charts on here, the table charts. And then he has these little stencils, all of the compass, an extra sharpener, eraser, protractor. And I love that this comes in a tin. And I bought this at the Dollar Tree. I also got one of these for my daughter last year, and it works well. He has one of these mirrors, and this was from Nikki. Nikki sent me this mirror, so thank you, Nikki. I just put a little sea-themed skateboard sticker on it. I love that it came in this little bit of bubble wrap too to help keep the mirror protected. This is a very nice mirror, so I was very happy to give him this. He has some seashell stickers and his instructions on the back of his solar calculator. This is from Staples. He has his waterproof pencil pouch. I put all of his colored pencils and pencils in here. He has an extra sharpener and a pen. At the end of the video, I'll have everything laid out so you can see it all. I could fit this in, so I gave him another pencil with a cute little bug decoration on there. He has his nice Westcott scissors. I really emphasized school with his box. And then you may have seen my haul, but I did like a Staples haul not too long ago. I found these binders. I think they were 97 cents. And then they came with little refill packs. So he has 2 refill packs for his little shark binder. He has a comb, a little toy car, and then his keepsake item, he has a silicone ring. I get these from Walmart, and I just put a little picture instruction in there so that he knew what this was. And this one I like because it's brown, so it matches his khaki shorts. He has a large jump rope, an extra sharpener with erasers and eraser pencil tops inside of there. Oh, I gave him another one. He has some cotton string and more staples, or not staples, paper clips. Safety pins. Oh my goodness, sorry guys. And then he has this little fishy pencil topper. I don't even know how many pencils I gave him. A glue stick, and then he has 2 of these confetti crayons that have different splotches of color on them. And then he has his Old Navy shoes, Old Navy flip-flops. He has another comb and some paper clips. And I forgot to bring it down, but I'm adding a play pack to his bin on the bottom here. I did not have room with the 200-page notebook to put in a folder with customized coloring pages, so I will put a little play pack in here, play pack coloring book. And that is my shoebox for an older boy, 10 to 14, with a little bit of a sea theme. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I appreciate you guys. I would love to hear back from you. I love it when you guys leave a comment. So thank you again for watching, and I will talk to you later.